PAC Strapping Products, a world-class manufacturer and supplier of strapping and strapping machinery, is proud to bring you the Impact Strapper, a state-of-the-art semi-automatic strapper that is durable, reliable, and affordable. The simplistic design of the Impact Strapper eliminates chains, belts, and pulleys, reducing maintenance expenses and increasing uptime. Tension and reliability are increased by utilizing safe 24-volt direct drive motors. The table height can be easily adjusted to adapt to different work environments, and the Impact uses economical polypropylene strapping in widths ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. To load the Impact Strapper, first turn the machine on and load the strap properly on the dispenser. Feed the strap through the brake arm roller and into the strapping head. When the strap contacts the feed rollers, press the feed switch and you're ready to go. The Impact has a ready light that will indicate when the heater is at the proper temperature. This usually takes less than 2 minutes. To operate the Impact Strapper, simply wrap the strap around the package and feed the free end back into the strapping head. You will feel a click as the strap contacts the switch in the strapping head. The strap will tension, apply a heat seal, cut, and feed out the next length of strap automatically. The length of strap that feeds out after each cycle can be changed using the dial on the front panel. Tension is easily adjusted using the dial on the front panel. To clean the machine, simply open the top and clean the strapping head and tracks with compressed air. Beyond cleaning, the Impact Strapper requires minimal routine maintenance. The Impact Strapper is available with 2 options. A digital readout option for tension and strap length is available, along with a small package option. The Impact is supported by a very aggressive warranty, prompt replacement parts availability, and an expansive network of PAC factory-trained service technicians. The Impact Strapper, designed for your toughest strapping applications.